Redmi 12 in 3 colors. Leaker reveals new Xiaomi Redmi 12 in 3 colors. A leaker has revealed extensive details about the Redmi 12, a mid-range smartphone that Xiaomi is said to be releasing next month. Allegedly, the Redmi 12 will launch with a 90 Hz and 1080p display, a 5000 milliampere battery and a 50MP primary camera, among other hardware. Alex Alderson, published 6/2/2023. Android, smartphone, leaks, rumors, 4 reviews. Roland Quant and WinFuture have shared high-resolution images and specifications of the Redmi 12, one of Xiaomi's next mid-range smartphones. While a full release date is not known yet, the appearance of official images implies that Xiaomi is close to announcing the device. According to Quant, Xiaomi hopes to unveil the Redmi 12 next month, although it is unclear when and in which markets. At any rate, the Redmi 12 is said to feature a 6x-INCH display that resolves at 1080p and 90 Hz. As usual, Xiaomi has included a center punch hole camera, which Quant claims resolves at 8MP. Additionally, the device has 50MP primary, f1.8 at 8MP ultra-wide-angle, f2.2, and 2MP macro, depth cameras. Surprisingly, Xiaomi has done away with a large camera housing, a staple of recent Poco, Redmi and Xiaomi handsets. Instead, the Redmi 12 has cutouts for each rear-facing camera, mirroring Samsung's design language. Moreover, the Redmi 12 is said to rely on the immediate Helio G88, a 12nm SoC with 2 ARM Cortex CPU cores, 6 Cortex cores and a Mali G52 MP2 GPU. The Redmi 12 will combine this entry-level option with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of expandable storage plus a 5000 milliampere battery that supports 18W charging. Quant adds that Xiaomi will offer the Redmi 12 in blue, black and white color options, all for €199. Purchase the Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 4G on Amazon. Working for Notebook Check. Are you a techie who knows how to write? Then join our team. Wanted, specialist news writer, magazine writer translator, Dean, details here. Are you a techie who knows how to write? Then join our team. Wanted, specialist news writer magazine writer translator, Dean. Source S. Roland Quant or WinFuture via Techno-Ankitek. Survey join our support satisfaction. Survey 2023, we want to hear about your experiences. Participate here. Join our support satisfaction survey 2023, we want to hear about your experiences. 8031 articles published on Notebook Check. Since 2001. Alex Alderson senior tech writer since 2001. Prior to writing and translating for Notebook Check, I worked for various companies including Apple and Neowin.